A person sitting at a desk with a laptop, looking eager and motivated. Narrator, are you ready to unlock the potential of earning money online? In this digital age, opportunities abound for those seeking financial freedom from the comfort of their own homes. Here are 5 tips to help you get started on your journey to easy online money making. 1. Find your niche. The person researching different online business ideas. Narrator, the first step is to identify your passion or area of expertise. What do you enjoy doing or know a lot about? Whether it's graphic design, writing, or even playing video games. Finding your niche will set you on the path to success. Choose a field that excites you and aligns with your skills. 2. Explore freelancing platforms. The person browsing popular freelancing websites. Narrator, freelancing platforms provide a vast marketplace for individuals to offer their services. Sign up on reputable websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and showcase your skills. Whether you're a talented writer, a creative designer, or a social media expert, these platforms connect you with clients worldwide, giving you the opportunity to earn money from your skills. 3. Create your online store. The person setting up an e-commerce website. Narrator, if you have a product to sell, consider creating your own online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy offer user-friendly interfaces for setting up your virtual storefront. From handmade crafts to digital products, the possibilities are endless. Invest time in creating attractive product listings, marketing your store, and providing excellent customer service to maximize your earnings. 4. Utilize affiliate marketing. The person researching affiliate marketing programs. Narrator, affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income online. Join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank, and promote products or services through your unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Choose products relevant to your niche and create engaging content to drive traffic and boost conversions. Narrator, affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income online. Join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank, and promote products or services through your unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Choose products relevant to your niche and create engaging content to drive traffic and boost conversions. 5. Develop an online course or coaching program. The person preparing course materials. Narrator, if you possess specialized knowledge or skills, consider creating an online course or coaching program. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable provide the tools to design and sell your courses. Share your expertise through video lessons, written content, or interactive webinars. This allows you to leverage your knowledge while helping others and generating income. Narrator, remember, earning money online requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to adapt. Embrace these tips, invest in self-improvement, and persevere through any obstacles that may arise. The online world is full of possibilities, waiting for you to seize them.